Walking into Hawthorne High, I came in as a really angry kid and I was really confused and didn't know exactly what I wanted to do aside from seeing this place. So I followed my best friend into this room and I saw the lays being ran. And I think that's what grabbed my attention from the very beginning. I finally stepped foot into where I wanted to be for the first time. I knew I wanted to be a part of it. What I didn't know is that it would come with great instructors like Taco and Pacheco. The teachers here are willing to put in a lot of work into their students if you're willing to put in the work.
I want my students to have that inspiration where they find trust in themselves and their knowledge and in their ability, and they kind of move forward in life.
The academy itself can't really be explained into words. You get so many opportunities, you get so many internships. I've had the privilege to be able to intern with Boeing. I've also had the privilege to intern with NASA and be able to get those opportunities to explore what I like, what my interests are. There's so many different job opportunities out there that the academy shows you, and it gives you that opportunity to explore and experience outside of what the classroom provides.
Outside industry brings in a lot of advisement where people are telling me the skills that they need the students to have, not only the hard skills, but also the soft skills. They're also telling me the software that's being used currently in industry, along with the equipment and the type of training that they would like to see from us. The outside interactions is really important for the students to see that they're already able to engage with adults in a professional manner.
So the academy has taught me so much about myself, like that I enjoy working in a group settings, that I enjoy working hands-on with people, but as well as being able to communicate with both sides. I want to be in management, that I want to be able to lead a team, and the academy has taught me that. I found what I really wanted to do, and it shaped my career because now I'm going to go into college, and now I have a career that I want to pursue, which is either I want to be an aerospace engineer or a mechanical engineer.
Walking into this room gave me a lot of confidence that I didn't think I would have. Honestly, if it wasn't for Pacheco introducing me to all the mentors that I have now, I don't think I would have gone to college. I was able to get into TSU Channel Islands and I'm going there for mechatronics engineering. The school providing you tools to do that was a really big factor in being able to move on to the next step.